Hello, I'm Neva Jane A. Alegado. I am 35 years old. I am married. I finished my high school graduate. I have three children aged 17, 15, and 11. I have I have worked as a domestic helper for 5 years in Saudi Arabia. My employer's name is Sarah Mohesen. They have also two children, 6 and 3. During my employment, I am responsible to do keeping the house clean and tidy, taking care of children by bathing, change their clothes, feeding them, and putting to sleep. And I'll cook some foods, simple foods. I want to work at Hong Kong to earn higher salary so that I provide to support financial for my family. To my future employer, thank you very much to considering for me to this opportunity. I do my very best to serve your family. Thank you and meeting you soon. I prepare a nursery song for kids. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them upright, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Thank you.